Welcome to the Nourish kitchen. In this video, we will demonstrate how to roast vegetables. Roasting is a dry heat method of cooking where the hot air from the oven cooks the vegetables and provides a deliciously crisp texture. You can roast all types of vegetables. For today's demonstration, we're going to roast Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and carrots. Let's get started. To roast a vegetable, you will need a baking pan, your vegetables, oil, and seasoning. But before you start, gather all your ingredients and equipment and preheat your oven. If you have a convection oven, which means there's a fan in the back circulating the air, we recommend you preheating the oven to 375 degrees. If you have a conventional oven, which means there is no fan in the back, we recommend bumping that temperature up to 400 degrees. Make sure you flip your vegetables halfway through. Step 1, prepping your vegetables. Make sure to wash and dry the vegetables before cutting. It's really important that the vegetables are cut the same size to ensure even cooking. Also, vegetables with a hard texture like a sweet potato or a Brussels sprout will take a little longer to cook than a soft vegetable like zucchini or summer squash. So if you're roasting them together, make sure you cut the hard vegetable a little smaller so that they cook evenly during the cooking time. Step 2, season your vegetables. Place evenly cut vegetables in a large bowl. Add your oil. Canola or olive oil work well for roasting. We recommend about 2 tablespoons of oil for every 1 pound of vegetables. Next, add your seasoning. We recommend for every 1 pound of vegetables about 1 tablespoon of seasoning. Now that seasoning can be a mixture of herbs, spices, and usually about a half teaspoon of salt. Use more or less depending on your preference. Well, step 3, cook your vegetables. Place your vegetables on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and evenly spread them out on the pan. The parchment paper prevents the vegetables from sticking and also speeds up the cleaning time. If you don't have parchment paper, just place the vegetables directly on the pan. If you decide to use foil, just make sure you add a little more oil to prevent the vegetables from sticking to the pan. Next, place the pan with the vegetables in the preheated oven. It usually takes between 20 to 25 minutes, but again, cooking times can vary depending on your oven. Check your vegetables halfway through and flip them if needed. And we want to make sure we roast our vegetables until they're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Thank you for cooking with us. We hope you enjoy.